Chiki Art! It's morning! Time to get up! Yay! Let's go and brush our teeth! Hey, which toothbrush is yours? The yellow one! Mine's the purple one! Let's brush, brush, brush! All around the side to reach the back you open wide! Done! Time to have a shower! The water is blue! Lovely! Ooh, and let's dry ourselves with our pink towels! Time to have breakfast! Oh, yummy!
Yay!
This looks delicious!
Yay!
Let's eat! Yummy! I'm going to drink my red drink, and you can drink your green drink! Delicious!
Yay!
Time to go to school! Yours is the pink bag! And mine's the blue! Let's go! Walking to school, looking so cool.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye! We're going on the school bus. It's yellow! Hi! We're going to spin our ice cream cone spinning wheel! And we're going to learn colours today. Yes, we are. Let's scoop on some ice cream first. Our ice cream machine will put it on for us. Woohoo! One at a time. So we're just putting on plain flavoured ice cream at the moment. And we've got to choose our colours and flavours afterwards. One more to do. Brilliant! Now, let's spin the wheel. Which colour shall we do first? What flavour is your favourite flavour? Oh, I do love this spinning wheel. I'm having a great time doing this. How about you? Again? Let's spin it even faster. It's so much fun. Let's do green. It could be mint flavoured ice cream or even pistachio. What do you think? What should we do next? Red, strawberry or raspberry. What do you prefer? Oh, I love this game. It's so much fun. Blue. Ooh, that could be blueberry flavoured ice cream. Yay! Let's do purple. Ooh, blackberry ice cream. Oh, I love it. Oh, and yellow. That can be lemon. And if you don't fancy an ice cream, you can have sorbet instead. They're very refreshing, you know. Orange next for our orange flavoured ice cream. Let's do pink. Woohoo! Pink, that can be raspberry flavoured or maybe bubblegum. Spinning. One brown. That's chocolate. It's my favourite. Ooh, delicious. Let's do an olive green coloured. That's more like pistachio, I think. Yeah, that's right. And cyan. Oh, I wonder what flavour that could be. Ooh, black. Licorice maybe. Interesting. Spinning. And last but not least, plain white. That could just be vanilla, can't it? What is your favourite colour? Which is your favourite flavour? If you have a real ice cream, you could mix them together, couldn't you? I like to have 2 scoops on mine. I think I'll go for pink and purple. Ooh, yeah. Even if you can't eat ice cream, there's loads of other options. And I just can't stop spinning this wheel. Look, Dinosaur's come to try some. Ooh, yummy. I'm going to have a scoop. Yeah! Ooh, hi, Chef. What's cooking in the kitchen today? Fruit?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am, push.
I think she wants you to make something.
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? Excellent. What's it to be then? Ooh, a cooking pot. Some ingredients. Mmm, smells delicious. Oh, you're going to heat it in the microwave then, Chef? Well, okay then. This is exciting. I wonder what it's going to be when it's ready. Smells delicious. So, what now then, Chef? Oh, now in the freezer, I see. Oh my goodness, it's ice cream! Delicious! Ooh, red, pink, and purple. Wow, I hope you enjoyed that, Mr. Chef. You certainly earned it. Hello again. Are we going to cook something else? Exciting! What will it be?
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am,
I
push.
think she's trying to tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Excellent. We get the cooking pot. And the ingredients. Ooh. Should we give it a stir? Mmm, yummy smell. In the microwave again. Yay, let's heat it all up. It's ready. Is it going in the freezer again, Chef? It is. Let's get it nice and icy cold. Is it ready? Wow, look, more ice cream. Oh my goodness. Yellow ice cream. Ooh, blue ice cream. And green. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Bye, Chef.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.